Hello, it's Rick Starr again with Dusty Tales. The 7th annual Riding for Boobs. Ah, there goes Joey. What a great turnout. The parade was awesome. There was just so much to fit into 5 minutes of video. TJ. Today's ride started with its first stop at Barnett Harley-Davidson. From there we rode to the Dry River. Our third stop was at Mamacita's Bar and Grill. And then we ended up in San Rosario. There go the models. There were so many beautiful motorcycles out here. We had motorcycles of all types. Harleys, Hondas, you name it. What a beautiful day for a ride. Slight overcast, a little chilly. Thanks to the fire department for flying our flag. What a beautiful sight. What a great bunch of people out here. Look at this copper chopper. Oh man, you gotta try the panini bus. Those paninis were awesome. The Riding for Boobs run has to be one of the best runs out here. I have to say, the El Paso bikers are just great people. Plenty of food, great music, camaraderie. Can't beat it. We just had a great time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I had a blast. And hopefully next year you can join us. It's Rick Starr with Dusty Tales, and get out and ride.